Hey everyone, I hope you guys are having a great day. Welcome back to another Web Dev Junkie video. So in this video, I just want to explain the clip property in CSS. I was doing a live stream of a couple of CSS battles, and I was kind of stuck on this challenge, right? So the idea is I have this shape that has like some border around it on the right and the top right and the bottom right. And I wanted to clip off everything from here to the left. And I knew there was a clip property in CSS, but I couldn't for the life of me figure out how to use it. Actually, it might have been in a different challenge I was trying to do clip with. I think I was trying to like clip to make half of the eye on like a frog. But regardless, you can use clip to clip this one if you wanted to. And I kind of want to give you an overview of how you can use clip. So let me show you how this a solution. So there's a property called clip that you can type here, and you can pass it rect for rectangle. And then the parameters, you need to pass 4 different parameters, right? So the first one is the top, and that is how far from the top you want it to actually clip from. Okay, so if I put 0 pixels, it's not going to clip anything from the top. The second parameter is the right. So if I were to put the full width of this div, which happens to be 160 by 240, that's going to make sure that it doesn't actually clip anything from the right side of the page. The third parameter is the height. So if I were to put 240, because that's the height of my div, again, that won't clip anything. And then finally, you're back at the left, and you want to put 0 pixels there. So to show you in code, what I can basically do is, let's start at the top. As you increase this value, you'll notice that it's bringing in the window from the top down. So it's starting from 0, it's going to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, right? So that's from the top. And from this second parameter, the right, basically as you decrease in value, it's moving that window in. I think my webcam might be mirrored, but I think this is the right side. So as I reduce this, it should bring the window in from the right side. So instead of 160, I can do 150. Notice how that comes in. And then here, 240 would be the bottom. So as you decrease that as well, it's going to bring in the window. So 230, I could do 220, 210, 200. And notice how the window of that DOM element is getting like clipped off from the bottom. So I'll put that back to 240. And then finally we have the left. So as we increase the left, it's going to clip from the left. So this is potentially what you can use for a solution. Got to figure out what value to do. And the way I have this DOM element position and the width of it, it looks like I need to use a clip of 90. So that is one way you can use basically the clip property in CSS. And you can probably use this in a couple of different challenges on this. To show you an example of the other thing I was trying to use it on. So there's this elephant challenge. I was basically trying to clip off the top half of this circle, right, for the eyeballs. And notice that this is really just a circle, a black circle with a yellow outline on it, okay? So if you make that circle with the outline, you can clip off the top and make the half eye. And I think you can kind of achieve the same thing with the trunk down here, okay? You can make a full circle with just an outline of white, and then you can clip the bottom of it if you want to make it look like to basically create the tusks of the elephant. Let's see what else we could probably use clip for. I'm sure there's some other stuff you can use it for. So here's some more like half circles you could probably achieve with clipping. I'm not sure. There's also different approaches you can do with these half circles. I like to do a border radius and then a border radius on the right and the top, and then make the colors of the left and the bottom transparent. And then I rotate it, but I might start using clipping now because it might be easier. Yeah, so maybe there's not that many challenges you can use clip with, but it's still a cool CSS property to know about in case you ever find a reason for using it. So I hope this was a good overview of how to use the clip property. So if you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up because it helps my channel grow. Secondly, leave me a comment if there's another CSS property you want me to kind of explain and kind of show you how you might be able to use it in a CSS battle. And then finally, if you're new to the channel, be sure to click that subscribe button and the bell icon because I publish a lot of CSS battle videos where I show you how to build these cool shapes, and also a bunch of React tutorials and JavaScript tutorials that can help you become a better web developer. All right, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.